yan, si Christina. Kami yung humaharap sa tao. Tapos, ang masama, kami or opisina or iba black prop. Unfair. Eh galing naman doon. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin, kasi yung advertising agency, kami yung humaharap sa tao eh. Kaya, yeah. Dapat matuto ng leksyon. Pero dapat naman, chinek ninyo.
Actually, Madam Chair, as in any inaccuracy, everyone, including the agencies involved, should really go through the proper vetting.
Yes, yes. So nakikinig kayong lahat, ha? Ganyan, ganyan. Sige. Okay. Proceed. Thank you for that.
Okay.
And thank you for your honesty, yeah, right? And so ngayon, ayan, wait, before you go. How did you correct that? Para makikinig din yung aking mga bagong staff sa akin. Kasi we have outsourced, we can't do it with a staff of 20 lang in the Senate or 30. How do you do it? Tapos, believe it or not, people don't read. Sometimes ang kanilang attention span o di madetalye. So it's not a vice. It's not a luxury. It's a basic need to be accurate and factual. We owe it to our public. Right? So anong gamot na ginawa nyo para yun din gagawin ng opisina ko?
As the secretary already mentioned, Madam Chair, upon the receival of the news of this erroneous material,
No. I mean, what process do you do now so that it doesn't happen again? What kind of vetting?
From start to finish, Madam Chair, we really go through the proper vetting with having the materials passed through.
There's a group or a
regional
person in charge.
offices. It goes through a very tedious process right now.
Memo me through the
From-
secretary, the process. I'll make my staff read it.
All right,
If
we'll do that, Madam
my
Chair.
process is not as tedious as yours, I will make it as tedious as yours.
Okay.
Right? Oh, because we cannot make mistakes.
Mhm. Noted, Madam Chair. We'll do
Okay.
that. We will pass
Okay.
this on.
Thanks. Are you new?
Almost more than a year in.
Just 1 year. From
Yes.
Cebu.
From my family originally.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure. Okay, proceed. Marga, thanks.
May buntag, ma'am.
I'm Buntag.
We are the Tourism Promotions Board. We are mandated to market and promote the Philippines as a premier destination for leisure, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, MICE. So the TPB focuses on promoting the Philippines both domestically and internationally, targeting 13 key and strategic markets. Flashed on the screen are our 13 key markets. If we can go to the next slide. Our mission is to market and promote the Philippines in partnership with our stakeholders towards a dynamic tourism destination. And our vision is to be the leading organization in marketing the Philippines as a preferred destination for sustainable, uniquely diverse, and experiential travel. Next slide. So for our next slide, please. So for our 2023 financial performance, from the TPB's fiscal year 2023 approved corporate operating budget of 1.28 billion, our actual budget utilization as of September 20, 2024 is at 97.93%. The balance will be considered as continuing appropriation, which is valid for obligation and disbursements until December 31, 2024. Next slide. For 2023, the TPB had over 103 implemented programs and was able to generate 7.8 billion in sales leads and 474 million in media values flashed on the screen. Next slide. This is further broken down into our different departments. The TPB institutionalized events, international promotions, MICE promotions, domestic promotions, and marketing communications. Next slide. Here are some photos flashed on the screen of all our events in 2023. Next slide. We can go through next. Next. And our awards and citations also next. And next. So for 2024 financial performance from the TPB's fiscal year 2024 approved corporate budget of 2.49 billion, our actual budget utilization as of September 30, 2024 is at 1.68 billion with a percentage utilization rate of 72.33%. Next slide. For 2024, the TPB currently has implemented 62 programs, leading to 5.27 billion in sales leads generated and 367.64 million in media values generated, with a 72.33 budget utilization as of September 2024. Next slide. So here is our physical performance broken down the same format as last year. Next slide. Sharing some of our awards and citations. Next slide. Okay, so for the comparative COB 2024 versus 2025, in 2024, our budget was 2.4 billion. Our proposed budget for 2025 was 1.9 billion. And on June 14, 2024, the TPB received a DBM confirmed budget level amounting to 1.3 billion. Next slide. So here is just a summary of our utilization past years from 2019 to 2023. For 2024, COB of 2.4 billion is at 72.33, and we are confident that we will hit our target utilization rate of at least 90%. Next slide. So this is the proposed budget outside of RNEP, which is included in our proposal of the 1.9 billion. So this totals 468.
Can you please put it back to your NEP budget?
Oh, okay. Our NEP budget. Back. Here. Maybe this one, Madam Chair.
Your NEP 25 budget.
Yes, so it is 1.3. 1.3. COB level confirmed.
Do you have the breakdown in one page?
Yes. Do we have the breakdown of the 1.3? Just in the pie.
Show me the hard copy here.
We will give you the hard copy of the 1.3 breakdown.
Breakdown here. No, but this is outside of
That's outside of NEP. That was just the part of the proposal. Here it is, ma'am, but no, this is the 1.9 proposal. Can we give the 1.3?
Your NEP of the agency is 1B, right?
1.3, Madam
Yes,
Chair.
and
Yes.
the breakdown, please, of the 1.3.
Okay.